Alright, hello everybody. It's Rubik here.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today I'm gonna be unboxing this. This is the Rubik's Cube fidget spinner.
What? It's a fidget spinner?
It's a fidget spinner?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see this baby.
Guys, if you're a kid, get parental supervision.
Yeah, just
Parental supervision.
It's a fidget spinner. That's so small.
Ooh.
That's so small.
This looks cool.
Imagine it wasn't yours and you
Keep
opened
this.
it for nothing.
A nice box.
Don't.
Guys,
Don't
remember, fidget spinners are dead.
Yeah, they're
it's
dead.
a year late.
Yeah.
they're
You can't
dead.
bring in more.
But Cubes
Wait,
EG
can
does
it
not
actually
care if it's
spin?
dead.
Can it actually
care about
spin?
it.
Oh!
Wait,
that's
what? I
so-
didn't get to see it. Oh, that looks like the
It's
what's it called?
actually spins.
The
floppy cube?
Yeah, the floppy cube. And it actually functions.
What the?
I don't think something gone wrong.
Wait, how
Wait.
does that turn so easily? Wait, what? Did we just get
Close
scammed?
the knife.
Oh wait. Oh, only these axes can spin.
Just
Like,
wow.
only these 3 axes can spin.
Oh, but it's
But
still pretty
what a
cool.
waste.
Hey, look at the bright side.
Look,
It's so cool.
look. Do it. Spin it again.
Whoa.
Can I spin it?
Well,
Camp
that's
Kisa.
the cool cube.
Can I
right
spin
there.
it, Bean? God, look at a num num. Bean, can I spin it? Bean, can I spin it?
But yeah, this is pretty cool. You guys want to spin it?
Okay.
I'm gonna try to balance it.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, your turn, Louie. Here,
Okay.
get in the camera.
Oh my gosh. This feels so weird.
Show his face. Show his face, Bean.
Whew.
That's
There you
cool,
go.
right? And guys, look.
Alright.
No, I'm not. This is not sponsored.
By num nums.
Alright, so that's been the video.
Sponsored.
Yeah, I'm
Thanks
just
for
showing-
watching, and I'll see you later.
Bye, guys.